Show him what is that. Saying some bubblegum eggs.
Bubblegum eggs.
Show him what this is. What is this?
Snapper.
Okay. Show him what is this.
Egg.
What kind of egg is it?
Big egg.
Who is on the front of it?
Patrick and SpongeBob.
Okay.
My way.
Show him your blue egg. That ain't blue, that's green. See his little eggs and little bubble microphone. Yeah! Woo! Got some downlighters in there. Got a big old Reese egg. We got this little Spider-Man.